So yun guys, so nandito na tayo sa welcome to Mangil Tindahan Historical Nature Park Shermantang. So meron daw ditong makikitang tangke sa loob ng historical nature park na to guys. And then makikita nyo, ito yung entrance fee niya ay 40 pesos. So tuition or free. So parking niya is 10, tricycle 15 for wheels yan. So ito po makikita nyo guys. So tayo ay magbabayad muna ng entrance fee. So bago pumasok makikita nyo. So ayun, papakayaw nga pa, medyo mo ako, didikit lang ako sticker. Dikit lang ha. Ayun na guys, nakikita nyo yung tangke. So lalapitan natin yung tangke. Ito yung panahon ng Hapon ng Amerikano nung World War II. So nakalimutan na hindi na naibaba yung tangke. So pupunta tayo ron para kita natin yung
tangke ng malapitan. Japanese era and American.
Yes, this is from the March 1945 during the advance by the 32nd Infantry Division up along the Villa Verde Trail.
Oh.
The idea was that they would be attacking along here and up through the Salaxat passes near just south of Malico, down to Imugan, down to Santa Fe.
Wow.
At the same time, the 25th American Infantry Division was advancing up to the Balete or Dalton Pass. They're part of I-Corps 6th Army, US 6th Army.
Nice.
Because the land isn't good for tank battles, and also the Japanese didn't have it, there was only 5 tanks assigned to the 32nd Division.
So that is the last one.
That's the one that didn't come home. The start of March 1945, it was advancing up the trail, helping to clear out Japanese entrenchments and spider holes, but it was spotted by Japanese with artillery on the ridge over there.
Yes.
Now that ridge the Americans nicknamed Yamashita Ridge after General Yamashita.
Yes, yes.
No gold.
No gold?
No, Yamashita never came here. The Japanese he had a general underneath him.
Yes.
General Kunomi. And then with the artillery from there, they destroyed the tank. And as far as we know, all 5 crew members were killed.
Oh.
That was start of March 1945.
1945. So yan. So guys, yan na yung pinakahuli daw na tangke. So narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Sir. Sir, what is your name, sir?
My name is Brian Maguire.
Brian Maguire. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah. So, kita nyo yung buong lugar. Ayun na. So, balik na tayo sa ating mga kasamahan.